Day 3 of my recovery phase. This is my warm-up, and I will be posting my workout on the next video. This is just my recovery phase, nothing serious, and I'm just trying to keep up with the weights that I was doing during my recovery, during my bulking phase. I would like to thank a YT user, a YouTube user, who advised that I need to work on my bench press form. So during these few days and these few weeks, before my next bulking phase, I'll be working on a lot of forms and techniques so that I can make the next bulking phase really easy. I am open to any suggestions, any recommendations, any criticisms.